This man.
Excuse me, girl. Hello, handsome girl.
Hey!
Okay, sorry. Handsome babe. Sorry, fine girl.
You be mumu.
Fine girl. Please, can I have your attention for some minutes? You see, people love underrating people when they don't know who that person is.
Will you keep quiet?
Do you know who is standing before you? Can you just listen to me, please?
Okay, young man.
Good.
What do you want? What is it?
See, let me tell you, I love being plain. I go straight to the point. When I was crossing here, I felt this magnetic impact from you to me. Understand? And I feel this is the sign God is using to show me the bone of my bone.
Oh my God.
The one.
Can you stop? I'm
Let
not
me
your,
see.
the bone of your bone, please.
See, let me tell you, the person standing before you is the person you don't know. But you get to know the person when it's time.
I don't want to know you.
See, let me tell you, I think I love you.
Eh?
Yes, I feel it.
No.
You see? See, let me tell you, I feel it when I pass here.
Who is this? Why are you touching my...
Calm down, let me tell you something.
Like, how much can you boast of?
See, let me tell you.
Just tell me.
See, let me tell you.
This guy.
When it comes to account balance, it's not a deal. It's not a problem.
Okay, what is the problem?
See, let me
What
tell
do you think that you can do now to make me happy?
See, let me tell you, my account balance currently, now 55 naira.
This
Understand?
man.
I withdraw 5,000 naira yesterday, so 55 naira. Everything they there, but I'm expecting huge money.
Expecting?
Yeah, if it is money, we are good
so
to
what
go.
if the money did not come?
Business guy like me, money go come now.
I forget business.
Money is coming. Don't bother.
I don't do it.
Let me have your
Oh, look at the phone I use. Oh my God.
This girl, you underrating me. It's
70
me. I'm
years
Jasper.
old
Go
man.
ask of me. Anywhere
Please
you
hold
go.
it there.
Don't mind that. You understand?
My dear, let me just leave you. I don't have your time. Look at the phone you are using. Oh my God.
This is business phone. We are
Business
smartphone.
phone. And why is it that you didn't come out with your business?
No, that one is for online stuff.
My dear, just
Think say they wise.
Just say I don't date.
Okay, you don't date bro guys.
No.
I'm broke. Me, Jasper, I'm broke.
You are more than broke. More than.
I'm me now, Jasper. I'm more than broke. Do you know who I am?
I tell you.
Okay, even if I'm broke, bro guys no go date for Oko.